Hello everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of today's session. As always, we are going to perform few live trades today again. Hopefully everything goes well, just like yesterday. So yesterday, all of my trade went very well. I will show you on my screen later on today. Moreover, before we start our live session, let me just clarify you guys. Crypto future is very volatile market. So crypto is always a very volatile market. Be safe, guys. This video, this live session is just for information and entertainment purposes. Don't follow my trade pattern and the way I am trading. Just do your own research on that before you start doing trading. So consider this live session just to interact with you guys, moreover, just for fun. And yeah, on the other hand, if you are new to crypto or any trading thing, so just start doing with your demo accounts instead of using your real money. Moreover, um, if you are a trader and stuck in trading, I suggest you guys just try to make a pattern or a strategy and keep follow that strategy. Just keep follow that discipline, and if you keep following your discipline, yeah, it sometimes it takes a little bit more time to make a discipline, and how you define it. Everybody has his own circumstances, so it totally depends upon you how you treat it, and how you take the trade. What my strategy is, I used to perform trades on weekdays only, preferably, uh, mostly in fact. Uh, on the other hand, I use 1% of my capital, 1% of my margin, using my capital, and keep another 1% to do the DCA just in case everything goes wrong. That's my strategy. And try to use 10, maybe 15x leverage, but it's not recommended. Use minimum leverage, so that's the way you can just keep yourself protect. So yeah, thank you so much for joining session, Diana. As always, it's an honor for me. Um, so yeah, that's all for today. There is a link in bio, so you guys can join my WhatsApp community as well. So there, I'm going to start. Maybe from Monday, preferably from Monday, I will start sending some signals. I'm just practicing one more thing. So maybe if it goes well, so uh, I will try to share a few trades every day. So that's the way you can follow that trades as well, and do your own research always. Thank you so much for your likes. Moreover, yeah. Uh, yeah, this session is just for information and entertainment purposes. That's what I would definitely love to mention you guys again. Do your own research before you do trades. And if you are trading already, just try to use minimum leverages. And that's the way you can protect yourself, you can protect your capital. And yeah, that's all for now. And if you click on the link in my bio, so that's the way you can follow my YouTube channel, my TikTok channel, my Telegram, sorry, my WhatsApp channel, and my X channel as well. So that's the way you can connect with me on all platforms. In future, we are just starting growing our community day by day. Hopefully it goes well, and let's see where it ends. So everything has an end, and I personally love to keep this continue as much as I can. So okay, so what's going on in crypto market? Before we start doing trading, let's discuss something about. So you guys, as we have discussed at the end of last week, I talked with you guys. I have mentioned you guys that yeah, if BTC if the weekend the BTC closes above 90,000, so it can go up a little bit. It's very hard because There are big things to come on 15th of this month. So there are just 2 days left. Hopefully, the Fed meeting is in process. Maybe if there is nothing big, there is no big changes in the market, then of course. Uh, okay, thank you so much for joining my session. Nine Tail Fox, Bradley, Harry, thank you. Okay, so BTC is just hovering around to 91,000 in between 92,000. So yeah, there was a, I must say, it's just moving in between like 3,000 to $5,000 every day almost. So there is a very steady movement. There are good chances for this one to go up, but depends upon, of course, there are news in the market, and it and there are speculation in the market, of course. On the other hand, let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is hovering around at $3,100. So yeah, it's also moving very steadily. And Sol, let's not forget to talk about Sol. Sol is also just hovering around 138 to $140. It's a good thing. They are gaining momentum for sure for the bullish momentum. It's a good thing. And let's talk about the fear index. Of course, fear index is what's going on with the fear index. So yeah, so let's talk about CPI data. So expectations are 2.7%. The okay, okay. So there are good chances for BTC to go up to 95,000. That's the resistance line for BTC for now. And how can we check that? And if it could flush down to below 90,000, said that, so the support is for first support should be around somewhere around 88,000. So still not a big movement in the market. And wheels are not selling it, of course. So there are accumulated volume like 56,000 BTCs since mid-December in the market. So yeah, so I must say, uh, maybe there are good chances for if things goes this way, the way these are going, 100K is very achievable for BTC. So yes, that's it. Oh, let me just okay. Let me All right. Uh, Shaza, thank you so much for joining. Mia Walid, thank you so much for joining. Unstoppable You, thank you so much for joining. Uh, okay, so let's start looking at some charts. So yesterday was good day, and we have just made 1% of my capital, which is good enough for me. Uh, what we are going to do is we are just going to have a look on the charts. Okay, let me show you my screen. Uh, hmm, all right, guys. I hope you guys can see my screen now. Okay, so that's the coin what we were trading yesterday, and things were going great. And we have made a very small profit, just 1% of my capital. That I'm I'm happy with that actually. And let me just set up one thing. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay. So if we see the 5 minutes time frame, it's showing the bullish momentum. 15 minutes, just like that. There was a big fall yesterday. It went to this price, so that means it's just getting the rejection from that point. If it crosses this mark, then there are good chances. Let's talk about 1 day time frame. You see the momentum of this coin. There are good chances for this one to go way more up. And uh, what we are looking for, we can just wait and watch how does it goes. And I think from this price, what do you think? I think that's not the right time to open any position from here, I must say. If we see that's RSI went to like somewhere around 5, RSI if I went to 5, wow, that's the 1 minute time frame, and you see the momentum. So I think we should wait at least from here. Maybe let's talk about 5 minutes time frame. RSI is showing, you see guys, the 5 minutes time frame is indicating that the RSI is in the favor of opening the long position from here. But what do you think? If we do a little bit back test, you see that these candles were very scary at that time. And we just made a very good profit in this candle actually. We just took the long position from here and closed the position at this price. So it went very well. And I think we should take another trade, but not from here. I think we should wait. What do you think? Like, you see the momentum. That's a 1 minute time frame. And let's talk about the indicator. If we see the indicator is telling us that there is a weak high. So weak high is always the indication that the prices are like, there are chances for this one to go more up. But that's and strong low. Strong low is there where it is like 139. So at the price, it's 139. Mm, I think let's forget this one for now. Meanwhile, we can check the other one, ARKM. Oh, it's going up. You see the 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame is in a very good favor. We can open the long position maybe for the long period of time. But we can perform intraday trade from here at least. But if we see it's right now the position is like, what was that day? 16 December. So it's above like from last month, 1 month, but it went to this price 5, 6 days back almost. So I think that's, let's talk about this indicator. What does it says about that one? What was that actually? ARKM. Yes, this is the pair. Uh, there is not big volume in this one. I'm trading this pair just because it has a good potential to go up because it's already hovering around its lower side of its price. That's what my strategy is. I just followed that thing specifically for meme coin. So it's a good thing you can just trade that way as well. And yeah, uh, for the one strong high. Okay. So why it's getting rejection? Strong high means it's getting rejection from this price. 20, 2030, somewhere around there. It's getting rejection from there. I don't know why it's strong high. Weak low means okay, there are good chances for this one to come down from here. Uh, I'm not getting any good position right now. There's a bit confusion. If we see weak low in this pair is also showing okay, that's a 1 minute time frame, and what we are going to witness is we are just weak low, weak low. Okay. But see the momentum. We cannot even withdraw the support right now, exact support from here, from this point. But if this is the support, that's the weak low already. But see, that's the 1 minute candle, and it's just moving up. Hmm. Uh, hmm, this one. Sorry, that's a 1 day time frame. That's the one. See, 1 minute candle. If we follow the RSI, then we could have opened the long position from here. But if we see this indicator, SMC, it's showing the weak low. So maybe it can fall down. So on both of those coins I have just shown you guys, maybe there are good chances we can just wait and let's see if this one crosses the week low and the truth one or crosses the week high. So if that shows the results against about this indicator, if it shows it goes well, then we can take any position. But maybe from now, let's wait and see what's okay. XMR, sorry, I just missed your message. Uh, Hello, brother. How are you doing? Good. Hope you're good. Thank you for joining. XMR. I think we have just checked that one yesterday as well. XMR. Yeah, that's the one coin. 1 minute. Let's talk about 5 minutes. See, the potential was yesterday. I was just telling you about this one. That's not the right time to open any kind of position. We are not sure where does it takes us. And you see the 1 day time frame. That's the 1 day candle. That's very scary, I must say. Mm, there are good chances it can go way more up, but I am not going to trade this one. So it's very like in the risky position. Maybe if it falls all-time high. Yes. Yes, that's right. It's already on all-time high. Wow. The price is 671. Yeah. I'm not doing to trade in this one. It's all-time high. All-time high always gives you good profit, but if you have a good backup, I can open the short position using my 1% of my capital, but it can take that capital also. If it makes another all-time high, so then I'm just gone. I think that's not the right time. Let's see. And the one, even for the scalping, it's very scary, I think. See, it's showing the weak highs, weak highs. Every high is a weak high, means it's just breaking up the records, previous records. So yeah, that's what I'm just talking about. Just in 2 days, 3 days, it's just went to this price. Wow, what a gain. Somebody would be rich if got the right position. And a lot of people might have been liquidated if they're not using stop losses from this one. This was also all-time high like few days back on 19th 20th of December. So Aster, yes, sure, I would love to check that one. One of my friends just took the Aster long today, I think. He just texted me, I'm just going to long in Aster, I think. Yes. Yeah, I think he might also have made few. Yeah. See, brother, it's already hovering around the lower side of its price. Yes, there are good chances for this one as well. Let's talk about 1 minute time frame. So weak low, always it's just making weak low because you can understand strong high. Mm, yes, I think we can. Not sure. Maybe we can take the short position from here if we see. Let me set up the indicator RS. I have not set this. Oh, sorry. I have not that great one. I'm using how much? Just one. Yeah, RSA is already set. Okay. Uh, so so for scalping, I think for let's talk about five. Yes, we can open short position from here if we fall if we see the RSA. RSA is just like 70, touching the 70. So yeah. Oh, okay. You would have make like you might have make good like thousands of dollars. But of course, scalpers are very, I must say, we are very, uh, what's the word I can use for myself? Anything. Okay. Okay, good, good. Okay, if you're in so overall, brother, you're in profit. I have like my few friends, they are still in negative, and we are just trying to recover and getting them okay back on track. So if you are making good profit, that's good for you. Just try to make some. So that's Esther is one of my friend took the trade, I think, from he just texted me in morning. I think he did long from 6907 some. He just texted me. Esther is swing long. Yeah, but potentially if we see the momentum is shifting from here, yeah. But not we if I would be taking the position, I will just try to wait a little. Uh, okay, let me just that's RSA and S. Oh, both of them. How to okay from here? Yes, and let's remove this one. Trading view is also. Let's talk about Esther if we see on here. You are going to take the long position from here from the current price. Okay, let me check. Hmm, let's set this one. Okay, maybe yes, you can. If you are going long from here, I don't know. Uh, you see, there is a support here somewhere around there, I think so. If you can wait for, we can draw another support if we can do that somewhere around here. It's just getting rejection from that point as well. uh, if we see a previous trend. Okay, okay, great. Okay, so just stay with me and just let me know if you are making some in this one. I would love to hear from you. That was a good price, like few minutes back. 5. Six, seven, six. Okay. Okay, great. Uh, what about X? We are not getting. All right. You open the long position. So how much leverage, how much percentage of your capital you use to open the position, and how much leverage you take from the market? So what's the leverage you use for that? Mm, Okay, okay. iPhone, YouTube as well. Okay, great. Opening long from this. Okay, seems okay. Okay, great. So for very small leverage. Okay, yeah, better to be safe instead of like losing big because it's already hovering around on the lower side of its price. So okay, let's witness this one. If you are just open, if you have opened the long position already, but if you do a little bit back test after this, okay, Esther is okay. On the other hand, let's discuss about uh truth. I am in a very good favor of opening the long from not from here. It's very you see these are the wicks I'm just talking about. These are the candles. It went to this price yesterday and just fall down in just just within 1 hour to that price. And we just took the trade in this candle actually yesterday. That's what I'm just waiting for if I can grab another opportunity. But not sure. Okay, okay. How can I? Let's risk it too long. Yeah, yeah, I'm not taking any position from here at least. Uh, you're talking about Esther? Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. If you have took the position from here, yeah, I think we are just discussing about this one from here. Yeah, your trade might have gone very well. Uh, but if let's do a little bit back test. You see the momentum. It just goes up and just falls down because there are. Let's talk about 1 hour time frame. Hmm. It's, I think it's still good to open the long position. There is a big room to open the position still. That's the 1 day time frame. You see the 1 day time frame. It's still hovering around to very on the lower side of its price. If I would be able to open any position, I would definitely love to take the position from at least from the first support. This is not exactly the support, but at least from this mark. Let's set the limit. I'm just setting up the limit at 6980, 6980, 6980 using uh 20x, which is very big leverage, not very small, and using we'll try to use just $300 for that. It's not even okay. Maybe 250 is good. Okay, opening long from here. And for that I can wait. But that's truth. Let's talk about truth. Yes, from here. mm, Uh, you see, yeah, that's a good point. That's a good position, but let's wait for this one to cross at least this line on the downside. If it crosses this on the downside, maybe I think we should not do hurry on this trade. We should wait from now. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the right time. Opening both positions, Astra as well as this one. Maybe it can. All right. Live chat, chat. Okay. So, did you open any position today or not? Leave it for. Oh, I just wanted to close my X instead of I did. Mm, okay, okay. Market. What about Soul? Let's talk about it. The heck is- Okay, great, great. It's a good thing. If you have made some, it's a good thing. I am happy for you. Uh, Thank you, Arvinder, for following me. Thank you so much. It's an honor for me. And we were just checking Astral. Let's set this one as well. We were just having a look on Truth. 5 minutes to 1 minute. Okay. You see, that's what I'm just talking about. Uh, that's the line I have just drawn. It's getting rejection from this price, from this mark, And if everything goes right, then okay, maybe we can. I'm unable to get any position. I don't know what's going on. ARKM, it's also going up. It's just hovering around its today's highest price. We can open the short position, but as you guys know, I'm not in the favor of opening the short position. It always scares me, but yes, we can do. Okay, let me check on my phone as well. Okay, okay. What do you think? Yeah, that's the for 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. Yes, we can open. See, it's just hovering around its the highest price, near to the highest price of today. For scalping, I think we can. Esther. Uh, yes, both of them. I must say both of them are in the favor. But one of our friend is just open the long position, so it will be like against the ethics actually. Maybe I'm not opening the short position from here. I would love to do that, but let's do the other one. I think uh, uh, this one. I just really want to open the short position from here. You see, brother, the RSI. RSI is very good in favor. And if we do a little bit back test, yes, it can go wrong. I'm just trading against the trend, which is not a good thing. But if we see that's the rejection point from here, and let's see when it went to this price. Yes. Okay, let's open the short position using uh, how much can we use? Let's use $120 for this one. Opening short from here. I have just opened the short position from here and putting my TP. No, it's a very small amount. Okay, let's try to grab $30 in this trade using just $120. Maybe if everything goes right. Okay, so this position, I have just opened this position. Don't follow this trade. Please do your own research. I just did it because I just wanted to take the chance. It's been almost now 40 minutes. I'm not trading. I'm unable to open any trade. So that's why I just took the trade. But trade was actually I think there are good chances for this one to at least give me my TP. Yeah, there are good chances. Maybe it will take a little bit time, but it's not always happens like when you trade like you just catch the top and bottom. I always mention that. Yes. So what's going on? Uh, so so what happened with your Astral trade, brother? This trade seems like, but we cannot judge it from here. I just grabbed this position in this candle and using the RSI. I have just seen the RSI was in favor, but it not always happens the same way. Mm. What happened with Esther as well? Oh wow, you might have made a good profit today. Okay, okay, great, great. One of our friend, he just opened the long position in Esther. What was the name actually? I just okay, okay. Sorry, passive aggressive. Okay. So did you get good profit in this one? And still your position is open? I hope so. Make some good profit. And there would be a rejection at this price here. Of course, you see double top in this time frame. And if it crosses this one, then it will face a little bit rejection from this price as well. It can face that rejection. So there are two resistances for now. And if it crosses the first one, then very good, very easily achieve on the second one as well. If getting, yeah, great, great. I'm just not opening any position in this one. See, that's the rejection point, and if it grabs these orders, then the next are resistance would be around what's just happening. Let me just reset how to screen. Okay, okay. So see, brother, truth is in just moving sideways for now. I think we should wait. Am I getting any message on YouTube? Not showing. How do we? Okay, okay, okay. Seems. Cancel this one. Yeah, it's getting support from here, I think. But Astra is just getting rejection. You're right. But I was not opening any position in that one. Let's talk about our position. What did we open? ARKM. We opened the short position in ARKM so far in $6, $5, $6, somewhere around there. What we can do is we can just wait and see. Crypto needs patience. So what you need to do is to have some patience and wait for the right time to grab your share from the market. Okay, okay. Yes. Get some rejection, brother. Get some rejection from here. Come to my TP at least, maybe. But it not always happens the way we think. On the other hand, I can just set my stop loss to my break even as well, but I'm not gonna do that. Uh, Truth, maybe. Yes, let's talk about truth. Mm, yes. If it crosses this mark, then for sure it's going up. And momentum is like in the favor of opening the long position, but I'm not going to open any position for now. I think that's not the right time. What do you think? I think it's not the right time. That's truth. RSI and C, these two. Oh, I just closed that. Indicator was what just is there? Okay, brother. So what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? You see, that's a 1 minute time frame, and the RSA went to above 90, around 90. So that's the dangerous thing. Momentum is shifting, but we cannot confirm it yet. CHSH. What we need to do is we need to wait. I think we should wait at least from here. Okay, okay. Truth favorites 2039. It's just hovering around to my break even. That's what I was just talking about. I would have to just set up like stop loss to my break even. And there are two candles that just hit my stop loss. That could have hit my stop loss. I'm not having stop loss yet. But what I need is I need these red bank big candles on the downside. Then I can put my stop loss maybe somewhere around $5. So one big negative candle cannot at least take my money. Okay, this is what I need. This is what I need. Thank you, Harp, for joining session. Uh, thank you, Alpha FX fan. It's a great honor for me. Moreover, what we are just witnessing, these are like I just need two, three candles. This happened just before like few minutes back. Not few minutes back, but yeah, and like around 2 hours back. These two candles are the mark. They can just give me my TP. Okay, what I need is just like these candles again. And let's talk about this. Truth is just falling down again. I think now is the time we can just check again the truth, favorites, truth. So this is where it's getting rejection. Um, That's why I just wanted to wait at least from here. If it's getting rejection again, getting support at this price. So yeah, it's getting support at this price. Let's see where does it take goes. Am I live on YouTube as well? I hope so. There are very fewer views on YouTube. I don't know what's going on. I have not set up that properly. Okay, that's okay. You see, that's the right support I have just drawn here, and it's getting pullback. Hmm. Mm. Okay, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please, there's a link in description. You can click on that, uh, and you can connect with me on WhatsApp channel as well. And there is a link of this exchange. You can avail 50 free USDT upon registration on this exchange. So that's a bonus. That's the bonus coupon. You can avail that for futures trading as well on 1 minute chart, bro. Yeah, that's right. Scalping is just like, 1 minute and 5 minutes are just, but I'm not sure. Okay, I have just done that for 5 minutes time frame. You see the 5 minutes. It's I am in a very good profit since last year, just using 5 minutes and 1 minute time frame. Just taking very small profits every day. And I have gained a lot. Thanks God. But I keep myself very, very like protective in term of opening or using the margin and the leverage. Leverage you can use any amount, any X, but just keep just following my strategy, my discipline. So that's the way I'm still protected. I have never been liquidated since last one year, more than 1 year now, I think. So thank God, thankfully, I'm just saved. I am just relieved at least. I booked loss yeah. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I understand. That's right. You're right. You're right. But for short-term scalping, I think I should call it ultra short-term scalping. That's very ultra short-term scalping, but it never happens. Sometimes you get trade gets stuck. So yeah, you're right. 5 minute and 15 minutes are good for scalping, but just 1 minute gives me an clarity a little bit. That's what I think actually. Maybe I'm not right at this time. So so you also you are yeah 15 minutes is good, yeah, I understand. For 5 minutes 15 minutes, but 1 minute I can just try to just check the momentum. So what do you think? Passive brother, what you do, like you do intraday trades or just do scalping? Okay, all right, all right. Things are, I think we should wait. What do you think? I try to buy low end. Yeah. No, okay, great. Right now, thank you, Hamza brother, for joining session. Uh, right now, the market, I try to do meme coins always. So I just try to grab like meme coins on the bottom of their prices always, and it just gave me a very good profit. I am in a very good shape just by following, just grabbing the lowest and not in the favor of opening the short position as well. Thank you, Hamza brother. Thank you so much for your love. So that's what I do actually. Yes. Thank you, Pure Airwaves, for joining my channel. Uh, okay. So that's the 5 minutes, and that's the support for now. What we think. Okay, so what happened with just Esther as well? Okay. So did you close your position? Passive brother? Did you close your position? Or you're still in position? Hamza brother, did you create your account on the link I have just mentioned in my description? If not, just create your account. Okay. Uh, okay, I have just mentioned the link in bio. Just click on the link and create your account at least. So, oh, okay, okay, great, great. 0.1, 0.75. Okay, 0.75. That's far from here. Okay, 0.76. And you, do you use stop losses as well? 7.5. Okay, that's the mark. Hmm. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So yeah, if you're in positive, that's what I always mention, that just put your stop loss to break even. So that's the way you are at least in safe zone. If something goes wrong, still you are out from the market, from that trade actually. But keep yourself still in the market. So that's the way you can make. You can just trade again. Astro is just falling back. So from what mark, what price did you open your position? I have limit my order to 6980. That's where I just okay, 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 great. Uh, that's what I always mention. If you understand the fair value gap and you just find the liquidation, where are where are large liquidities, like on the short side, on the long side, but preferably on the long side, it's good. So you can just liquidate the shorters. I'm very against the shorters. Okay, what is it? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you, Ali Murtaza brother, for joining session. Thank you, Koi Caller, COE Caller. Thank you, Chaudhary and the team, for joining Pure Awareness. Thank you. Okay. So what's going on here is I have just set my limit. I think that's achievable, maybe, but not sure if we do a little bit back test. Maybe it will take some time. Let's talk about our previous trade, which is in process right now, ARKM. It seems like it's going on the wrong side. I have just entered the position with 2043, and it's on my break even again. Hmm. Let's see. What can we get from here? Okay. LFX and FX fan, do you also trade? Like you also trade, someone just tried to write bad comment maybe. Bullish. Let me check. Esther. Mm, maybe, maybe. Yeah, maybe you're right. If we do a little bit back test from here, I don't have. Okay. Mm, yeah, I understand. Okay. Uh, I'm just curious, like, if I get that position. Mm, maybe it will take some time, maybe if it not comes to that mark. But see, it's just getting rejection from this resistance. And the next resistance is there on Aster. Let's see. That's a 5 minutes. That's the 1 minute time frame. Let's talk about these truth. Oh, what just happened with truth? Uh, 5 minutes. See, it's just hovering around to that support level. Hmm. What do you suggest for this one? What do you think? As per my understanding, truth, my all-time high went to 10153, and the lowest was 123, and just in between high and low. So, mm, if we use that indicator, what does it says? There are not 1 minute. Let's do that 5 minutes. On the 5 minutes time frame, strong low, so potentially it has potential to go up if we follow this indicator. Maybe. Um, strong low, strong low. Okay, weak high. Hmm. There's a change of characters here on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, if we see the 1 day, let me show you. Even for scalping, like I always just check before that. See, it's just moving up. But yesterday it just closed with the rent candle. So you see, that's the moment. That's what I always do. But I always do a back test little bit again. If you see potentially, yeah, it's I think new, yeah, it's newly listed, so maybe. But right now it's just hovering around to this position. That's the 1 day, and let's talk about 4 hours as well. That's yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I'm just waiting for. I will buy the dip for sure, but not from here. From here, you see, that's these are the previous. Let me just remove that. Okay. Is it? Picture is not clear yet, I think. Kindness. Okay, yeah. Actually, on the other hand, what I think is the coins which with having a very low volumes are also very steady coins, which are already on the lower side of their prices. So just one, if one coin you just grab it and from the lower side of its price and it just gained momentum or got some volume and people just start trading with that. So, just one coin is enough for you to make like months of profit. Even I have made it like two, three times. Uh, yeah, yeah, I understand. I understand. So that's what I do actually. I prefer to do that, those coins actually. I yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what even this coin. Let me show you this one, the H Human Protocol, something like that. So even this one, where is it? Oh, this one. Let me show you the 1 day time frame. This is the 1 day time frame you see. Hello, Raul Zoic on YouTube. Thank you. You see that's the 1 day candle. These are the 1 day candles. So see the potential moment of this coin. Strong lows, weak high. This is just 1 day candle. See how much big candle this one just make. Oh, okay. Broccoli. Let's check that one as well. Okay, okay. It's just falling down. Yeah, just like that. You see these candles. That's what I'm just talking about. This the previous coin, that coin I have just showed you. I have made a very good profit in that coin. Even I gained like in one trade I have made more than 600% of uh my margin. But that was like uh that was like more than I think I don't remember exactly. I gained like 15% of my capital, maybe 15 or 20%, somewhere around there, just in one trade. So it's a good thing actually, I must say. And broccoli is also very. To see this big candle, what happened with that? And it's just falling down. Let's see what our time frame. Yeah. Let me tell you my story actually. In 2017, I started buying BTC at I bought like two BTC at the price of 8,000 USDT. It went to 22 somewhere around there, 21, 22 somewhere around there. So I just converted all of my BTC to all like shit coins I must say, like Ripple, Cardano, XRP Ripple, sorry, Cardano, uh, and like multiple, I think more than 20 different coins. And then market went down, BTC fall down up to $3,000. And it took me 3 hours to recover from that. I did not book any loss there, but it took me 3 hours to come to my break even on spot actually. So that happened with me. So I just waited for long. Then crypto futures, I started crypto futures like 3 years back from now, almost 3 years back. And yeah, gaining good profits. First 2 years were very, very tough and of course very painful, very hard when you learn and people was just telling me okay do that way, but I was just doing no, you are not doing right, so I'm right, so I was not following the people, the more traders. So I was just thinking okay I'm the smartest man in the world, So that was my mistake, and I have booked a big losses for 2 years. Even I sometimes I get liquidated every day, which gave me a good losses. So then I started recovering, like since last year, and just took out my capital, my to recover my losses and gain, I think, thousands percent of my capital now. So which is like very good, I think. But I'm just doing the way I am doing right now because I have a very big capital now, and just try to grab 1% maybe of my capital every day. So that's what I do actually. So, and it's going well so far, but still risky, of course. When there are risk, there are reward. So that's what I do. Okay, if we see this one, H, I opened one position yesterday, and let me show you. I just closed it today. Transaction history with almost $90, 86, 87. That's $210 we have just made in truth trade yesterday. And so far, no negative trade, I think. Okay, in this account. Yes, so far, thankfully, I am going good in this one. One trade is stuck still, but no worries. That will be in positive. So I started this trading this account like from few days now. Okay, so that's how it works. It's working well for me at least. All right. On the other hand, let's see, truth one. Yeah, see, it's just broke that support. That's that was scary. Scary, I must say. I was not in the favor of opening the long position from there at least. Maybe I will open the long position from 0.0141395. Let's open a position. Open a long. Did I have an order? Open order. Esther, Aircam, both. No. Okay. Let me open a long position from. But maybe that will take a little bit more time. But open long using just $100. I'm using very few percent of my capital. Okay, so on the other hand, let me check. All right. So you see the moment. That's the moment I'm talking about. If we do a little bit backtest from here, you see the moment just went these candles. These are the candles. There are the gap that it tries to fill again and just falling back again. It went. There is a clear-cut rejection at somewhere around 0.151, somewhere around there. So we are just hoping for this one. If it crosses that, mm, okay, okay. So I have opened three positions now. There are open orders actually, but let's talk about open positions. So what do I have here is this position is opened, and it's like $4 or $5 positive now, not giving me good profit today. Just want to grab another position just like yesterday I did. So thank you, brother, for joining again. Um, okay. Okay, okay. Uh, Thank you for joining my page. Moreover, let's see. Uh, it's moving sideways from here. I must say, it's just trying to cross that rejection, this price. Let me just set up the 15-minute time frame. If it crosses this mark, then I will be in a big trouble. The big trouble I can do DCA later on, but I just want to. That's very achievable. Maybe it will take a little bit more time to open any position, to get to that. Okay, okay, and there is another one. Let me check. Hmm. I have just heard about. Oh, it's not there. Okay, what was the other one? Let me check. Hmm. I, ah, hmm. It's going up, up, up. Let's do a little bit research first. So that's the 1 hour. That's the one day. That's what I'm talking about. See the potential of this coin went to $9, $9.76, and came to see that was 10th October. Yeah, 10th October was very scary. If the people are doing trading from like few days, they must know. 10th October was the black day of yeah. Yeah, this coin is a very good in our favor. Maybe that's the 15-minute candle. That's the 1 hour candle. Mm, that's a 1 day candle. What do you think? Like, what do you think about this one? Okay, if we see 1 day, hmm, I will open a long position in this one from this price, maybe 0.21, but not from here. Okay, let's open. Why it's not giving me? What is it? Did I get any message? No. Okay. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. There is a link in description as well. You can click on that. And the exchange I'm using is Lbank, so they just offered me to give my followers and subscribers to click on the link and register your account. That's the way you can just grab 50 free USDT bonus, which you can utilize performing futures trade. So it's a free money, just grab it. That's a limited time offer. If you don't get it, just let me know. So that's a great opportunity. Uh, yeah. Hmm. This coin doesn't have a big volume, I think. I think we should just let it go for now. Okay. came. It's just hovering around to my break even. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign, I must say. Uh, mm, sorry. Okay, I think I have just grabbed a position. Oh, what is it? 15 minute, 1 hour, 1 day. Okay, that's a 1 minute candle, 1 day candle. Hmm. So I just have opened a position, I think. Which one? Oh, I just got into truth position, but there is a big fall. There is a big fall. See, that's what I'm talking about. These are the scariest candles I'm talking about. Truth is very, very, very liquid coin. You are talking right. Aster, what just happened with Aster? Let's talk about that, Aster. Did it break? You see, this is that's the truth actually. Truth just broke down on the downside, and Aster is going crazy. Oh wow, wow, great, great, great. You might have made good, good profit in this one. Okay, I just missed that opportunity. Okay, you were right in this one. Okay, good for you, good for you. I'm happy for you. You just get that position and see the truth, and truth is going down, down and down and down and down. I just grabbed that from 0.139 somewhere around there. Okay. Okay, that was a good thing. But that's a big candle I was just talking about. These are the scariest candle I'm very scared of that. But yeah, it just gave me this opportunity to grab the position from here. It's a good thing. Maybe it will take a little bit time, but that's what we need actually. Uh, okay. Great, brother. Great, great. That's a great thing. I'm very happy for you. Just get profit from the smart people of the market. Just take as much as money you can. But still just set your target at least. Good to hear that. You have made good profit. Okay. H is in the favor of opening the short position. I think so. I think I have just opened a position already with H. Great, brother. Great. I'm happy for you for your trade. Zcash, that's you're talking about. That's ZEC. Okay. H is. I think I just missed this one. Let's cancel this one. ARKM is close, short, open. Okay. Okay, that's the TP. Okay, let me check. Pure Airwaves ZEC. Let's see on TradingView. Um, this is what I are you talking about? Okay. Okay, it's a good see the movement. Movement is very bearish. Sorry, bullish. Um, that's a 1 minute, and let's talk about 5 minutes. Of course, it would be somewhere around there. See, yeah, it's totally bullish for now. A little bit sideways for small period of time maybe. Let's talk about 1 hour time frame. Yes, something if you don't mind. Sure, yes, you can ask me, but please. Don't write something bad. I don't feel good. Okay. So, brother, you're talking about ZEC. It seems like, okay, that's the 1 hour. Potentially, yeah, it's a good. See the moment. It's a very volatile coin, I must say. Um, 409. 409. You open the short position. That's a 1 day candle. 1 day candle. Wow. It went to all-time high to 409. Hmm. You just open your position today to make new accounts on brokers if you know brokers like oh, okay. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Okay. I was using Binance previously, and still I'm using on the other side because I don't what I have heard that don't put all of your eggs in one bucket. So that was what I have learned from the market. I had an other account on Cryptopia in 2017. On the other side, I had an account on Binance as well. So what happened with me, Cryptopia just went away and took my almost like there was not much big money in that, but that was big for me at that time. That was just around like maybe $2,000 in that, and the exchange ran away. So it's good for you to just keep your money in different exchanges. Still, I'm using like I think maybe 4 or 5 exchanges, but this is the major exchange I'm using it for now because it's linked with TradingView. So it gives you real time access to different uh, panels at the same time. Uh, Binance also is a good option. You can use that. You can use anything, but on the other hand, you're talking about the thing. The brokers give something to me. Yes, they offered me of okay, because you I have a very good big account. I have just grown. uh, uh, Sorry, I don't understand what you're talking about. Well, what I'm telling you is I have a big account in this exchange, so they just offered me, okay, you can offer your followers as well. So just they if they follow you, of course, exchanges have some interest on creating new accounts. If you do trading, they will get some money. And I'm not getting anything because they offered me, okay, you can just take the share. And I just asked them, okay, no, I don't want the share, but if you can give some bonuses to my subscribers, if someone follow your register your account using my account, using my referral, so that's what can you give them? Okay, they just offered, okay, like upon registration we can give 50 USDT uh, coupon upon registration, so which they can utilize to open a futures trade for maybe for 1 week. So you can utilize. So uh, it's not always like influencers or the guys making videos always getting it. Sometimes you get registered. It's not for me, it's for everyone, I must say. You can grab like free bonuses, free discounts. Moreover, they just offered me, okay, you can just ask your followers, if they register using your referral account, we will offer a 50% discount on trading fee as well. So it's a good thing. You can register it without using referral. So that's the discounts you cannot avail. So so of course, uh, if you use if you register your account, of course every exchange has uh, these things, referrals. So that's the way they offer you something. Okay, if we gain some profits from the trading, of course exchanges are working, they're taking trading fees from you. So if you register by yourself, everything they will take it at your pound. Okay, let me tell you, brother, just I'm just clearing one thing to the other one. So they they will take it all. So what I just talk with them, I don't want anything from any of the followers. If you can give them something to, okay, then I can just I'm happy to use the referral in my link as well. So they are okay with that. I just don't need any money. I already have some enough. I'm happy with that. So yeah, thank you for understanding. If you understand it, if you register by yourself, you're not getting any discounts. At least from if you're not using my referral. So that's what I suggest. More of that. If you're talking about the interface, then I like this one because it's just linked with trading view. So I have a better access to like indicators and stuff like that. So that's why I'm using this one specifically. But don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Always just try to create different accounts on different exchanges and put your if you have a big amount of money, just try to put in different exchanges. Okay, so you're talking about brother Zcash, it will go up or down. Okay, that's what we were already discussing. I think we yeah, see if that's a 5 minute time frame. If we see the 5 minute time frame, good chances. Uh, it's a weak high. If we follow this indicator, especially smart money concept, so this shows there are good chances for this one to go up. But what I think is mm, you should set your TP somewhere. I don't know where you can set your TP, but I think 404 should be. And if you're using like big leverage from the market, mm, okay, five. Let's talk about 15 minutes as well. You see that there is a rejection. Weak high. It's just still have a good chance potential to. It's just showing a strong low from in this candle, but there is a rejection at. Let me draw. Uh, so there is a support you see, even on the 15-minute time frame. So it's getting support from down and getting rejection from somewhere around. If we see, we cannot even like draw the resistance for now. Maybe somewhere around there or just below there. 418, you have just opened the long position or short position. You're just telling me that let me check, let me check. You opened the short position from 409. You're just telling me. So short position, you set your stop loss to at 418. Oh, okay, okay. Stop loss. Okay, okay. I understand. So how much you're losing on that price? You might be losing. And how much leverage you're using? Okay, okay, great. Um, 1 hour, 418. Yeah, you have just got this one. Mm, for short-term scalping, yeah, just 25x, okay. It's a big leverage. Be careful, brother, I must say. If you are in, you open it from 409. Oh no, don't lose that. Try not to lose that. Just put your stop loss at break even when it comes to break even. That's what I suggest. I always suggest if if you get a trade which is like very risky, so just try to put your stop loss at break even. If it hits, okay, still you're in the safe zone. That's what I suggest everyone. And that's what I always do for myself as well sometimes. And sometimes it doesn't work well. So yeah. And here my position is okay. Both of positions are in positive. One is $20. On the other hand, it's just $5. What I can do is I can do down. Yeah, yeah, brother. I just put my position here. So I just I put the limit order at 0.395, but that big wig just gave me an opportunity to took the long position from. What should I do? I think we should. I can keep now. See my price is just up a little bit. I can put my stop loss just on top of my break even. Let's say $5. Either I can make $5. On the other hand, if things goes right, I'm not putting my TP. Should I? No worries. You will get the chance again. Truth is, truth is the moment of truth is truth. So, what should I do? Should I remove my stop loss? I don't know. 13932 is good, but mm, let's put the TP on top of this candle. No, brother. Actually, I'm using this one, this exchange, which is linked with TradingView. They use uh, the charts from TradingView. They have this option. You can use their original stop loss just hit. Still, I have just make $5. I was not. I'm not happy. Okay, so they have, like, you see, this is what I'm talking about. You can see the original. You can use their TradingView as well. So they link TradingView. This is the exchange I'm using. Bank. But I just hit my stop loss. That's what I think I have. I will grab this one again from. You see, that's the momentum. It happened yesterday. You remember that? Of course, you would have. This is trading. Uh, so this exchange just give an opportunity to use more indicators because it's linked with TradingView as well. So that's why I'm using it. And yeah, what do you think? It's going to go up again, maybe. Oh, what just happened? It just hit my stop loss, which is still in positive, but I'm not happy with that. Okay, where should I put the next one? 3.8. Mm, Esther, Esther is just, oh, 7085. Wow. You just told me to grab that position from here and this candle, 70, that was somewhere around 7010. And short. If we follow the RSI, yeah, it seems like we should. You should see RSI is like above 70. So it's good to open short position, but I'm not going to do that. Never gonna do that. Maybe. You see the 15 minutes is also on the higher side, and volume is also good. Uh, Still, it's very scary, I must say. RSI right now is 85. It's good. 90 plus is a good option. We can open short position, but if we do a little bit back test, see if it goes up again, then I will be, in trouble. I don't want to get in trouble again. I am already in a trouble. There's a trade which is stuck like from like few days from now. Well, still not negative 1% of my portfolio, but okay, I'm happy with that. I will close at negative 2% of my portfolio. That's what my strategy is actually. Okay. What's going on here? Astro is going crazy, brother. Wow, you got lucky. Good. That's good thing. Okay, let's remove this one. So it just broke all of these resistances and going up. Should I open short? I'm totally against the opening short positions. Okay. So what's going on here is, oh, wow. Okay, let's talk about our these slow moving coins. See, okay. I am very much scared about this one as well. I think it's already on the higher side of today's price, but I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. See, when I just took the trade and it just started moving sideways, whether it gave me some loss or just gave me some profit, just keep $30 are not like achievable. I don't, okay, this happens. Okay. That's the 5 minute. That's the 1 minute. 1 minute is funny chart actually. I feel so. Okay, let's see. Just no. Let's talk about truth again. Truth is just moving up. I think. I'm not sure with which one. Astra? No, I'm not opening any position in that one actually. I would love to open short position, but we can take a chance. What do you think? Uh, Thank you, share boss Khan brother. Thank you for following me. So what do you think? What do you think? Like, should we open the short position in Aster and just grab some profit and put the stop loss at break even? But see, it's just blowing away. I'm not, and still it's just moving up. Um, mm, okay, okay. Okay. If there is a big green candle, this one again, then there are more chances for this one to go up. But if you see the RSI, brother, RSI is in very good favor of opening the short position. It's like around 90. So it's a good sign, but that's the 15-minute candle, that's the 5-minute candle, that's the 1-minute candle. I'm not sure where does it goes. That's the 1 minute on the Zcash, ZC. Okay, missing. I'm missing something. Yeah, okay, we are already stuck in this position. Um, H, okay. Okay. There's a confusion. Market is like very not sure. Okay, I will open the short position in this one. on did I have any open position, open order? Uh, Open order is ARKM, which is this one already. Okay, what we can do is we can open short position in H. Oh, truth is giving us another opportunity again. Okay, what do you think? Let's see. Let's see first this one. Uh, this one. Hmm, that's the one, right? HUSDT strong high. Okay, good indication. We can open the short position from 173, 172, 173. Okay, I am just going to open a short position from 173 using, how should I, $250. Let's see what can we get from this trade. So I have just set up my limit order at the price of 173, this pair, and let this pair, sorry, you can't see this pair. Let's see how does it goes. Um, okay, using 25x leverage, which is very high. Don't, it's not recommended. Just try to use small leverages from the market always. Be safe, guys. Try to make small profits instead of losing big money. Um, uh, Thank you, Monty, for sharing my live session. Okay, so what I have done is I have just put a order at this price. Let's see if we can grab this one or not. So we have two open orders. One of that one is my position. Okay, so this one is actually in positive side. Uh, but see the momentum. Momentum is like just shifted. I just took the trade from here and just moving around sideways. If I would have set my stop loss here, then it will hit my stop loss, and that's what I'm not gonna do that. I just want to make sure that we can book at least maybe $10 in this trade. There are actually I just opened it very small leverage, very small margin. So that's why I'm not getting anything in this one. Um, on the other hand, let's talk about transaction history. Thank you, Branded Plug, for following me. It's a great honor for me. Okay, so this stop loss just gave me only $5. Okay, still better than nothing, better than losing money. Uh, okay, and what was that? Truth, yeah. Sorry, H is already in process. The trade is in process, maybe. What we need to do is we can just wait, I think. I just want to open a long position in this one again, just from, why should I not? I am just going to put a limit order of 1375. Okay, let's set the 1375, which is like, so now I have three open orders, these three. Let's see if I grab one, so I will cancel all two maybe. So that's my strategy. I prefer to trade just one or two trades at the same time. And losing 2% of my portfolio, okay, then I close my trades and stay away from the market. That's what I do. Mm. So you see the market. Hmm. Just mm, okay. Mm. So this is just hovering around to my break even. I think I'm not feeling good for this one. I think I just want to close this trade. I just want to close this trade. I just want to close this trade. Um, let's see if I would be able to do that. So I always mention that not every day is trading day. Be safe, guys. Just try to make small profit instead of losing all of your money or get liquidated. So that's what I always suggest you guys. Moreover, like, thank you. Thank you guys for being online. Thank you so much for much love. Okay, so Orbex 24/7. So what do you think from here? I have just took the short position, which is very, and the moment is just stuck at this price. This is not a good sign, I think. Let's talk about 1 hour. Mm, in 1 hour, we see the RSI is in favor. 5 minutes, 15 minutes is also in favor. 5 minutes is also in favor. 1 minute, of course, always in favor. And if it goes wrong, then if it crosses this mark, then I should be then I should be worried about losing something. Maybe. Okay. And seems like things are not in my favor for now in this trade, but mm, this one is coming down. I just want this one to go up and that one I just want to come down, but these both are going on the on the wrong side, but I just don't want. Okay, okay, that's a part of it. Do we have a trade of truth? Yes, we have a trade of truth. Oh, let's talk about this one. Hmm, where is this? Astra. Just touches the 7-1 mark. That's very scary. Not going to open any position. I think I should have to wait. What was that? I favorites. It's the favorites. Okay. Okay, so this one, so it seems like I'm not getting any good position today, maybe. Okay, no worries. Hmm. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Should I open a short position from here? But maybe I will have to wait for the long period of time. I just don't want to do that. 1962. What is this one? This is just going up. Okay. Okay. What is this one? This one, BTC is just hovering around at its previous prices from last month. So BTC is very, very steady, which is like very, very, very scary as well. HUSDT. My limit order is there. 17300. Let's see if we can get something from here. Okay, what's going on here? Let me drink some water. Sometimes it's better for you instead of losing any trade, just stay still and stay calm and just wait for the right time sometimes. Uh, Instead of sometimes, I must say most of the time. So what you need is to just wait and just sit and relax and wait for the right time to open any position. So that's what I always suggest people. Don't do hurry taking trades and open positions. Like don't try. I have seen like people just okay use $1 and use 100x leverage. On the other hand, use $10 and use 20x 10x leverage. It's the same thing. So be safe, guys. Don't fall for the big things and just try to grab small profits. And that's what I always just. Hmm. Yes, go for it, brother, go for it. Just set it at least for your daily target. I must say you might be in a good profit. And I'm not getting anything. I'm just I'm just stuck at getting the right position. Maybe, maybe, but maybe not. I'm not getting any good position. So sometimes that's what I'm just talking about. It's not always like you do trade every day. All of my positions are still in open, and that's one of my trade is stuck. The other one is also not in a good shape for now. Uh, I just want to. Okay, what can we do? We can just wait and sit and relax. What is happening here is just shifting the momentum from bullish to bearish. Bullish. That's the sign of the zone, bearish zone. Mm -hmm. Maybe. Just grab profits as much as you can and just set your target and just stay away from the market always. Keep yourself away from the market instead of losing your money. Age, air came truth. What is happening with truth? Let's talk about truth. 140. Okay. 140. That's my limit order actually, and I'm not getting it for now. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see, let's wait if this one grabs this opportunity. But that, I think if I'm setting it up at this price, yes, that's the right price section I should have to follow. I don't know, I think. Hmm. So what's going on? Yes, I just want to grab a red candle again. Okay, let's do this. Just removing my order, setting up to the market order, and just sorry, let me and how much should I'm allowed to use opening just $200. Okay, that's what I'm using. Hmm, I just want this one to come a little bit here. Let's see. Hmm. Bitcoin is keep dominating the market, which is 58.7% now, which is like very steady is from last year, I must say. The 1 year was it was just okay. Mm, mm. I just want this candle. This I will just take the long position from here, I think so. Um, I should have to take the long position. What I need to do is I will just wait and see if we can. Okay, okay. So now there is a chance. Open a long position. I am in a position and will try to make very small profit, maybe 20, $30. This is $30 only if it touches this mark. Okay, let's grab small profit. I just took the entry at 0.1313983 and just took the entry following by the RSI was in though not in 100% favor, but still I was just thinking, okay, that's in favor. If we see the 15-minute candle, so yeah, it was in favor, still favor. So that's why I just took the position. And let's see if this one also goes wrong, then I will close the session and stay away from the market. Will keep continue my trades and will share in my WhatsApp channel as well what's just going to happen in these trades as well. I will share the progress of these two trades as well. There are three open positions. Oh, what is this? This is truth. Okay, let's cancel this. Confirm. Okay, okay. So let's see if we can get the TP. Where is the TP? was here. Okay, so that's my TP. I have just set the TP at $30. It's going $8 positive now. On the other hand, the other trade just going wrong. I'm very much scared of opening short positions always. Maybe don't take anything. Yeah, yeah, that's right. But my two positions are in progress. Maybe I'm just going to close this one as well. So I think let's wait for the right time, and I should have to close both of the position. This one is going negative $10, and if we see, maybe that's achievable. Uh, There is CPI data is just coming on 15. That's what I have heard about. Uh, is there anything else? What are you talking about? Okay, 15, 18, $20. What do you think? Should I close it here or just keep it continue? $25, maybe, and maybe not. Let's put the stop loss at break even again, at least here. Okay, okay, okay. $26, $25, $26, getting rejection. There's a rejection here. Just go up to my TP. $27, $26. Hmm. Mm, mm. Okay, so I think I should have closed this trade here because okay, it's positive on the just went down. I was just about to close this trade manually instead of hitting my TP or stop loss. Okay, TPs here. What should I do? What should I do? I think I don't know what's talking about. Let's talk about. Hmm. Oh, it just came to my break even. So these thing happens. My TP was a little bit far, very like just like $3 away from my TP. Okay, that happens. And now I'm in like break even, zero, just zero. Okay, no worries, no worries. Just two candles just took me down. See, this thing is called the market. What should I do? Let me check on the weather. Uh, okay, All right, guys. Things are going to go against my trade. You see, this is called. That's why if I would have put my stop loss, it's gonna hit my stop loss again. That was just happened before. I could have make like $50 in previous trade, but I just missed it. Okay, no worries. We will get that trade again. Truth or come and what about H? H. 170. Okay, okay. We can open the long position, but I think we are already in two positions. That's what I just put the short position from here. I could have make some money if I would have been able to get that position. But let's not to worry about it. See, these are the big candles. Let's see the 5 minutes time frame. Okay. You see, the 5 minutes time frame indicating we can just open the long position from here. The RSI is just below 20, even below 15, I must say. Yes, I'm going to open a long position from here using 200 and okay. I just grabbed this opportunity. Sometimes you need to just grab the trade on the right time. That's what I just did. Of trade of HUSDT. Yeah, this is the pair you can see, and let's see if things are going. I will share the results of all these three trades, if my session closes before closing all of the trades. So I will share these details in WhatsApp channel as well. You guys can click on the link to join my WhatsApp channel as well. So there I'm just trying to share the news and the market updates as well every day. Okay, I just wanted to grab that chance, but I just missed it. $2, $7, $8. Truth is just going against. What I want to make is maybe I will make like a not sure. Let's set TP at least to this price, then only $60. Okay, so it will take a little bit more time again. I'm sure that will hit the price 0.172. And that's very good and achievable price. And what about truth? Truth is just falling down to 13931. Below that, hmm, you see the 1 minute time frame. If it falls down again, then I would have been in a big trouble. Okay, decline. I'm just getting notifications of. Okay. So guys, what we are gonna do is we're just going to sit, relax, and wait. We have already three positions, which I'm not in favor of opening three positions, but all of them are in the red now. Yes, but just near to break even, all of them. So two positions are long positions and one is short position. Um, yeah. So let's see. These are the positions. All of them are in red, but just near to my break even. All of them. Let's see how much I can lose today or I can make something from the market today. Okay, on the other hand, I will check on the other screen. What's going on here? Does any of you have experience of trading gold? Who is just watching live? Mansab, brother, and Khorram? No? Okay. So do you have uh, experience trading gold or just doing crypto? I think so. Mhm. Okay, both of trades are just near to my three of trades. In fact, both two trades are just near to my break even, and ARKM is not in a good shape. But no worries, I have a big profile, so maybe I am in the safe hands for now. Just got this doesn't seem nice today. Let me show you. This is the thing. Okay, things. One of the trade is in positive, $10 almost, $8, and one is just hovering around to $1 negative. You guys can witness this one in front of your eyes, and let's see. Hmm, let's. So what should I do? Should I just grab? I prefer to achieve like 15% of that margin in every trade. So if you are able to achieve like 15 or 20% of the margin profit, so it's a good thing. It's a good sign. It just went up and just fall down. See, it's just going back up and just falling down again, maybe. I am. So now all of three are again in the red. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 5. So what do you suggest, guys? Like, should I just okay, what just happened with this one as well? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Esther. Okay, just yeah. Esther is going crazy. It's just going up, up, and up. We can open short, but we are already in three trades. I am not in favor of opening any position now. Yeah, this one is in a very bad shape. This one, I just hate this. I was just planning to close this trade around here. I just not had a good feeling for this one because the momentum was very steady at this price. Well, no worries, no worries. We will do DCA and take the price down again. See, it's not that far. That's achievable. And let's talk about truth. Okay, so truth is I just don't want to grab only $10 in every trade. That's the way we can. Okay, still we can. Opening short positions are always like be very careful. If the price is already on the lower side of their prices, opening short positions are like very I must say dangerous. But it is what it is. What can we do? We can just okay. So now here is the moment of truth. We what should we do? We can close these two trades, all of three trades, and we will be on break even. One of my trade is on $30, $13, $14. One of my trade is on $7, $6, $7, somewhere around there, and the other one is $25 negative. So if I close all of them, I would be standing on the break even. So that's what I don't want. So this trade is going to okay above 20. I think I should have to close that memory because it went to like $27 just near to my TP, but it just didn't went well. It's a long position. We can wait maybe for a little bit long. Then there that's very achievable. It's not like that price is very far from here, but if you see the momentum is like very hmm, and there is a volume and these candles, yes, there's a volume. Okay, okay, let's go. It's just hovering around to that price and maybe I think we should wait. We have already just took three positions. That's more than enough for today. I must say, all we need to do is we need to just wait and relax. And just don't do hurry at this position. $17, $16. Okay. $15. Just 1 week and I will be out in this trade. And on the other hand, my two trades are one of the other trade is also in positive. Okay. Uh, Following the momentum, I don't have a good feeling for this one. I'm just going to close this trade manually on. I just made $18 in this trade, in the previous trade, and on the other trade, let's see this pair. This one is also on the long. Okay. My TP is very far, I think. TP should be okay. Let's keep it that way, maybe for now. Opening long is not that like risky from that price as well. Oh, just falling down. Okay, no worries. Let me check the order blocks. Order block is showing. Okay. Oh, just falling down. So seller side is strong from now, I must say. What we need to do is we can. Okay, so one of the trade went well, and two of the trades. The other one is also like on the break even for now. Um, that's like more or less like what should we do? I think we should wait for from here. It's just near to it's just near to my break even. Okay, but the ARKM is not good. Okay, let's talk about this pair. Mm, mm. Yeah, see, it's going up. It's going up. It's going up. There was a good. Okay, so both of the trades are one of is just near to break even, and the other one is just going wrong side. Maybe I will close that on if it goes to negative $50. I just don't want this trade to get more prolonged. I just don't want to lose more money. On the other hand, I can close that manually as well. Oh, yeah, some big news is in the market, and I'm going to. And this one is just news. There's a news break, and that's the response of that break. And what we are going to do is edge is also going to hit my what just happened. Edge pivots clothes. Okay, okay. Things are in the favor. Uh, what we can do is we can book. What I want to do is I want to just what's going on. Okay. Hmm. Oh, in biotech vehicles. That's the that's okay. That's the stocks I must say. Then why did it went well? When went wrong? What do you think? Oh, gold is also today reached all-time high 4600, which is like very scary. I don't know, I just oh, that's bad. Bad to hear. And if these are stocks, just keep them with you. Of course, someday will come that maybe they will come to that price. It happened with me in 2017. I just bought crypto when in spot and everything went down. So yeah, it's a part of it. No worries at all. You will get your money back someday for sure. Just get a good hope. Okay. Mm, what is it? Oh, okay. Uh, uh, what can I say? Like if you can book your loss and just keep trading on the other things, just do a little bit study and you can get your money back, but well, it's a part of it. Someone wins, someone loses. So what can we do? Mm, well, I cannot exactly tell you about, but tens of thousands of dollars I have made. I started 3 years back crypto futures, but just gaining my capital by compounding every day almost. On not on but no from now I'm making a good money, but just making small profits every day and compounding my capital every day. So that's my strategy. Sometimes it goes wrong, sometimes it goes right. So for now, thanks God, thankfully I'm just by this my last year 2025 was profitable actually. Uh, well, that totally depends upon you, like how you understand the market. If you understand the crypto market, there's a gold market. You can trade gold as well, but very volatile market. Same goes with crypto market. If you're doing crypto futures, if you're doing crypto spots buying, so that's okay. It's just like stocks. And on the other hand, if you want to do crypto futures, that's very volatile. You can make very good money and you can lose everything all as well on the other hand. So it totally depends upon you how much amount you can afford to lose. Like that's what I always said. First 2 years, I always mention to my community, first 2 years of mine was very painful, very hard. I was losing money every day almost, um, and I was in a big loss. Then I started recovering. I just made a very simple strategy. I to make that strategy, it took me 2 years to understand. Okay, the how I can protect my capital. What your strategy should be, just protect your capital. That's the way you can stay in the market. So I just made a strategy. Let's make 1% of my capital every day, and if something goes wrong, let's close -2% of my capital and just stay away from the market on that specific day. That's my strategies, and I'm just following that. I just closed one trade yesterday with $200 positive, and one is $70 positive. Today I have just made like two trades, $20 positive, and just closed one on $50 as well, negative. So on today I'm on break even, so not making any money. So it's not always you can make money. If you make trading your profession and your main income, just there are a lot of things, there are a lot of factors on the price movement. So it depends upon you, like how you take it. That's what I always suggest people. But I must say, I just want to say that again, if you double your capital, just withdraw your money from the market and use it somewhere else instead of like keep it in the market. So yeah. So just make small strategy and just make your um, yeah, make a strategy and keep following that. That's it. Set your target actually, I must say. If you follow your target, then that's the way you can achieve it. But target should be very realistic. Well, brother, that totally depends. Like if you want to invest money, of course, S&P 500 is good, and FTSE is also good. You can just put your money in different stocks, but not in the same. But you can diversify your portfolio, and you can buy some crypto as well. If you don't want to trade and you want to invest in some like for a longer period of time, get one and want to get some results on maybe after a few years. So yeah. Uh, but in futures, in crypto futures, specifically crypto futures, you can double your profit. You can double your money just in one trade sometimes. But more risk, more reward, and less risk, less reward. Futures is just one fastest way to make money, I think. That's what I think. Crypto futures specifically, or any stocks, or if the stocks offer. I'm not doing stocks, so I don't have a very good idea of that. But I have very basic understanding of stocks. So that's what I think. And moreover, okay, let me tell you. Crypto has like different uh, trading. What should I call that? Trading modes. One is spot. Spot means just like you're buying the shares, and if the share price goes down, so as far as you're not selling it, you're not in loss. When you sell it, then you are booking your loss and for your profit. And if the price goes, and let me tell you about the futures. Futures is the um, let me explain it like in the simple way. Futures is like you take the leverage from the market. Like let's say if you are buying a coin, and let's say you buy the Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin price is and you are using 10x leverage. There is as leverage is x from the market, so you can use 1x to up to 200x, depends upon the different coin. So market gives you a loan or lend you money. On top of that, actually you're buying the contract. You're not owning that uh, coin specifically. So if you take leverage 10x from the market, that means if the price goes $1 up, you are gaining $10. But on stocks or spot trading, if price goes from $10 to $11, you are gaining $1. But in crypto futures, if the price goes from $10 to $11 and you're using 10x leverage, means you are gaining $10 profit. On the other hand, if the price goes wrong from 10, if you're buying something on $10 and the price goes to $9, on the same way, you are just losing $10 as well. So you get liquidated quickly. So that's how crypto futures works. So yeah, it's a volatile thing. It's a risky thing, but you can just. I think it's the same thing. It's the same thing. If you do leverage in stocks to do same thing, yeah, I think it's the same thing. But I think stocks doesn't allow to. I don't know what leverage, how amount of leverage you can get from the stock in stocks, but in crypto futures, every leverage vary from coin to coin. So in what coin you are investing, what coin you are going to buy the contract, and few coins are just giving you 20x leverage, few coins are giving you 200x leverage. So it's the same thing, I think, yeah. But of course, futures is like more risky because you can get liquidated. But I have just broke down one strategy. I just try to trade those coins which are already on the lower side of their prices. We should call them meme coins or altcoins. So which are on the lower side of their prices, and you're just buying it with a very small amount of your capital. Very small amount of, yeah. uh, 200x leverage, of course, that means if the price from $10 to increase to $11, that means you are gaining $200. So more risk, more reward, and you're all in. Maybe if the price is going in your favor, and on the other hand, if the price goes from 10 to $9, then your all of $200 are just wiped away from the market. So you cannot get it back. Of course, it gets liquidated, just like stocks. I think they are offering futures as well. So it's the same thing. It's a leverage. It's a contract from the market. I hope you understand now. It's a very basic thing. So, but I suggest people. I have lost a lot. Initially I started trading like 50x leverages and 100x leverages, which is not recommendable. You, of course, nobody can 100% get accurate trades every time. So if one trade goes wrong, it can take your capital out of the market. On the other hand, there are protections in the market. You can use your isolated margin, you can use stop losses. So that's the way you can protect yourself, but still you're losing. You can make it very quick, you can lose it very quick as well. So what I have just told you, like I just prefer to select those coins which are already on the lower side of their prices, and I just open the long positions. Just if the price goes up, I'm making money. So because most of the coins are already on the lower side of their prices, how much they can go wrong? So that's what I do actually. And first 2 years was very thank you so much for following. First 2 years were very painful. Like now I have been more than 3 years now doing it. So last year was very good, and I have just withdrawn. I have just recovered my losses. Moreover, I just withdrawn like a lot of my capital as well. Now I just try to withdraw uh, some of the profit and just keep compounding my capital. So I'm just increasing my capital every day. Try to increase my capital. Like sometimes I get $100, sometimes I get like $500. So that depends like how much we can make from the market. Slowly, slowly increase your capital in doing compounding. Um, that totally depends upon you how much you want to withdraw. Like there is no limit. But I have like withdrawn a very decent amount. Now I am in a very good profit. Basically, my capital is like big now, so I just opened the trade with 1% of my capital. Um, so just use 1% of my capital, and rest of the capital stays in the wallet. That's the way of doing the trade. And using like I'm using like 20x 25x leverage, which is strongly not recommendable. If you are new to crypto and you want to do futures trading, just do it like uh, using 5x leverage, 10x. Don't make much big profit. Just start doing very small, gaining small profits. Yeah. Mhm. Previously, I was using Binance. I'm still using Binance, but currently from last year, I'm using this platform, Lbank. So because the using of the reason of using this exchange is like they have linked their platform with TradingView as well, so you have a better. Yeah, they have mobile application. There is a link in my bio as well for this exchange as well. You can click on that and register and download the application. So where are you right now? Like from which country you are, and where are you right now? In few countries there are few restrictions, but more in most of the countries it works well. In UK, I think there was an issue. You can just give it a try. If it works well, just give it a try. I just heard like UK has very like few restrictions of doing crypto and withdrawing and some taxes on top of that. Uh, if I'm not wrong, I have just heard about news about that. Oh, this one is just going down. It just went to this one. Okay, no worries. Uh, you can just I think you can get it from their web page as well. They give you I think you can give it a try, I think. Yeah, Binance is good. Yeah, you can if it works well in UK, you can use it. Few exchanges doesn't work in all of the countries, so I think this is not the new exchange. It's very old exchange, but I'm using it since last 1 year. But diversify your portfolio. Just don't put all of your money in just one exchange. Keep it like in different exchanges. So if one is gone, it happened with me, so that's why I'm just suggesting you. Or if you have some offline wallets, then you can just save your money or withdraw your money. Oh, so this trade is going on negative side again. You guys can see, and let's hope for the best. It went to $20 positive, and but I just did not close that one. Okay, but if I put in on the next level, then can yeah, of course, of course, of course. That totally depends. Like if you have like if you use 10 pound and using 10x leverage, so but depends upon the coin what you select for doing trade. So that totally depends upon the price movement, how much it moves, and how much percentage of your capital you of your margin you get on that. You can try 20x 50x leverages as well, but strongly not recommended. Try to use minimum leverage, so just gain small profit instead of losing your money. When you increase your capital slowly and steadily, then you can use big leverages as well. Okay. Hmm. All right. So guys, I will share the result of these two trades in WhatsApp channel as well. I think the session is just going to get so long. And yeah, one of the trade is stuck again and going on the wrong side. But I am hoping for the best. Let's see. When I will close the trade, I will share you the screenshot. I will do DCA with this one, and will show you the results of this trade as well again. Oh, what a big fall. These candles are very scary. Okay, well, which that means everything is just Esther is going crazy. 1 minute candle. And use. Okay, this one is also moving up. Why? Everything is going down. This one is going up. And H is just falling down. Truth is 1346. Yeah. So now that's the chance we can open the long position, but I'm not in the favor of opening any position. I think it should be enough for today, and I will come online at the same time again. I will share you guys the results of these two trades as well at the end of the session or at the end of the trade. I will do DCA with this trade. This one is in negative, and I will do after doing DCA. I will send you the results of this trade as well, hopefully. Okay, guys, thank you so much for being online. As always, it was a great day. Not in the not in term. Thank you so much. Thank you, Toby. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day ahead. Okay, bye bye. Okay. See you tomorrow, hopefully at the same time. Bye bye.